you can do it because you have feel.
I have feeling, yeah.
That's right.
All right, so we had the bike running before. We just put fresh transmission oil in it, and the engine has cooled a little bit. So we're going to try to start it again. When I got it to run the last time, I think I used about 3/4 throttle, a good tickle and 3/4 throttle. And it did take several kicks, so let's see what happens now.
Okay, ignition's on.
Wait a minute, let me get a different angle.
Yeah, than my butt.
I'm going to go up here, yeah. Try to avoid the Appalachian ass crack.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So, almost full throttle.
Sounds good. Well, you know, as Richard likes to say, stick a fork in it, call it good.
Good. About that if it doesn't sell. Sweet.
Okay, I think we're done, and I
Yep.
would just like to say for the video, what I think possibly, maybe, perhaps, is that the advance unit is sticking a little bit. And that's beyond scope of the project. We were asked to get the bike running. The bike runs. And we'll give it back to the client, who I believe is just going to try to sell this bike.
Yep.
And he wants it to run so he can sell it. And I'll tell him to tell any new owner to bring it back if they'd like. We will go through the distributor, pull the advance unit out and check it. And then I think it's ready to go. We're going to put that aluminum cap on the distributor, start it one more time to make sure that the cap isn't doing anything bad. And then we will let her go. Okay, so we just put the cap on the distributor. We're going to start it again. And if it starts, we're going to get it back to the client. Say it's good.
Yeah, it's owner error on the throttle.
That was the short between the headsets.
Yeah. I live with that.
I'm good with it.